In this video, I am going to show you how to run WhatsApp business ads in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world wide world, right? My name is Ayatollah and subscribe, right? Drop that fire emoji with let's go Mr. Ayo so you can keep the motivation going, right? Now, I'm going to show you the full tutorial on how to run WhatsApp ads, and not only that, there is a big secret I'm going to reveal to you at the end of this video, so you want to do your best to watch this video to the end and be able to grab this secret. Now on this channel I post about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and so much more like that, so you can do your best to watch more other videos I have on this channel that shows a lot of secrets. And if you have any problem concerning WhatsApp ads, Facebook ads, or anything, you can chat me right now on WhatsApp, call me on video call, and we're going to solve your problem immediately. So let's get straight into it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open your WhatsApp business, right? This is WhatsApp business, and once I open it, then once you open your WhatsApp business, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be clicking on tools right down here. You're going to be seeing the tools button. You click on it. Now, either you're using your Android, you're going to see the same option I'm seeing here. You can either see advertise or you can either see manage ads. So if you're using iPhone, you might just see manage ads. So I want you to click on any of the two. So if we click on advertise, we're going to be taken straight to where we are going to be creating the ads. Let me click on back. If we click on manage ads, you're going to be seeing the list of ads you have ever created. If it's blank just like this, just like mine, which I'm using as an example, you're going to be seeing a button below that says create an ad. So if we click on create ad, it's still going to take you to the same place if you were to click on advertise. Right now, once you click on that, then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on upload photos or videos from your gallery, right? So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on either I want videos or either I want photos. Anyone can be selected. So let me click on videos, click on one of my video here if I want to select one of my videos. So I'm just going to click on this, and once I click on this, then please note that 30 seconds video is the only thing you can use for your ad. So you can only use 30 seconds for your video, right? Don't forget that. So you can always move this cursor to trim it out and display your products or services. So I'm just using this as an example, and you can see the first 30 seconds of my video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set target audience on Instagram ads. My name is Ayo. You are on the right or the correct way to set a good. So I'm just going to click on this mark button below here, right? And once I click on that check mark button, then I'm going to be taken to the next page. So this is how the ads video is going to be showing, right? Or your picture if you had selected photo, right? Then please note that you need to add a description below. So we're going to be clicking on add description below, right? And click on the add description, and you are going to type in the description for your ad. So let me quickly do that right now. Okay, so as you can see right now, you're going to see I just typed in I will show you how to target rich and ready to pay customers on Instagram and WhatsApp ads if you chat us now. So I'm saying this in the sense of this video, should in case you want me to craft out an audience for you on this same WhatsApp ads, do you understand, or Instagram or Facebook, you can chat this number you see on the screen and I'll be able to do it for you. So back into the video. So I've been able to type this. So whatever your business is all about, whatever that product is all about, whatever your picture is about or your video, you can type this in and you're going to click on the save button. But before I click on the save button, you can also click on edit with Meta AI, and this is going to generate this description in which you just type in different forms, right, which can be optimized. So you're going to see the descriptions, list of descriptions here. Tired of throwing money at ads that don't convert? Want to get rich and ready to pay customers on Instagram and WhatsApp? Chat us now to learn our secret formula. And another one says wants to unlock high paying customers, discover the secret to targeting rich and ready to pay clients on Instagram and WhatsApp. Chat us now. And
Then another one says, tired of wasting ad spend on uninterested leads, discover the secrets to targeting rich and ready to pay. So this is one of the best way you can always rephrase and optimize your ad text, do you understand, to be able to, you know, make it more attractive. So I'm just going to click on the first one, and once I click on the first one, this is how it's going to be, right? And I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, you're going to see something like choose who should see your ad. If you want to use previous ad settings from your Facebook account, log in. I don't want to do that right now. I just want to create WhatsApp business ads like I stated in this video. So you're going to be seeing something like suggest audience, right? So I'm going to click on create new audience, and once I click on create new audience, right, and I'm going to tick off this advantage plus audience. So I'm going to click on yes, disable. I'm going to tick off the advantage plus audience in which you just saw here, right? And in this place you're going to see something like locations. So you're going to click on the pencil icon beside it, and you are going to click on the pencil icon beside the location which says Nigeria, and you can decide to search locations, maybe like countries, which is countries, state or state, right? I could decide to type in United States. Okay, sorry, United States, right? And I could decide to just type in South Africa, right? South Africa, and I could decide to just click on the save button, and this is going to target the three countries. Now, should in case maybe you want to target locally, you can click on local, and this is, you click on the pencil icon, this is going to use your location. You can decide to target people who are living within your vicinity, which is your shop, your store, right, or within your house, you understand? So that is that. You click on save. Let's say I click on save, right, and in the age I could manipulate this from 25. Let's say, you know, I'm not setting this, I'm not giving you a target audience, I'm just setting something based on an example. So if you need a target audience, you can charge this number WhatsApp, we speak on video call, I charge, right? So that is it. Then you're going to go to the gender section. So of course mine is for all. So if yours is for only men, you click on men. If yours is for only women, you click on women, depending on your product, right? And you're going to see my audience name. I'm just going to leave it like that. So also you can click on the pencil icon to edit it, right? And we click on save. Once you're done, then this is going to save. And the next thing we're going to do right now, you are going to see something like special requirement. It's your ads about financial products, services, employment. You just leave that. Most of you, my viewers, your ad is not about financial products, so you could just leave it. And we're going to see the estimated daily impression, though that is that we've not been able to set the budget we want. So click on next, and when you click on next, you're going to see daily budget. How much do you want to spend? So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to type in 5,000 naira. Okay, I'm going to type in 5,000 naira. So this is around, I think this should be around $3 per day. Yeah, in dollars, $3 per day. And you're going to see the duration that says run ads until I pause it, or run ad for duration. So you could choose anyone you want, right? You could choose the recommended one, which this is it. Okay, so I'm going to click on next, and once I click on next, you're going to see something that says, okay, the preview, which this is the preview, the location, the budget per day, then fund. You can see I have 0 funds inside this place, so make sure you add fund into your ads account before you click on pay and create button below. So if you want to add fund, you click on add fund right here, and this is going to actually load out. Then you are going to be presented with lots of payment method, so you could decide to click on any one of these. So for those who live in my country, which is Nigeria, Lagos, you can click on pay by bank transfer. If you don't have this in your WhatsApp ads, you can chat me on WhatsApp. We solve it both on video call, right? Consultation. So you can see the amount I want to add. So you can decide to add more than this. I could decide to add maybe like over 10,000 naira, right? So I'm going to click on pay by bank transfer, click on next. So if yours is not bringing this, you can click on debit or credit card and add your card details. Do you understand? So I click on next and it's loading right now, so let's wait for it. And we're going to be presented with the ads account number, which means the account number we are to transfer 10,000 naira into to be able to pay for ads. So you log into your bank details, right, into your bank account. You're going to copy this account number here and you're going to see this bank name, type in, sending on 10,000 naira, and once you do that, this is actually going to reflect back here on WhatsApp. Do you understand? And once it reflects, once it reflects, you're going to be taken back to this page and you just click on pay and create, and your ads will be submitted for review, and that is it. So if you like this video, drop a comment, say let's go Mr. Ayo, drop any questions you have, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye.